Good morning, my all dear class 11th B students. As in this chapter of business studies, we will discuss business services. So let me tell you what are the business services. What are business services? If we are selling or purchasing something, it will be called business. But business is not only meant by selling or purchasing goods. Business is not only meant by selling or purchasing goods. In business, there will be services too. In some conditions, we will sell our services. Like if you are an engineer and you are giving services to a third party, you will get remuneration, you will get salary, you will get money from that. If I am a teacher, I am teaching you, and after teaching you, I will get salary, I will get fees. So that is called services. That is called business services. Okay. So meaning, service sector includes commercial firms engaged in banking, communication, transport, insurance, warehousing, etc. In banks, bank is providing you facilities, services that are banking services. Communication means telephonic sector, internet sector, transportation, when we used to go from one place to another, or when we used to send our goods from one place to another. Insurance sector, warehousing, they all give us services. The service sector consists the basic infrastructure which is must for smooth or flow of the business. Okay. If there is a service sector, there must be some basic infrastructure. Means if you go to a bank, you will see different departments, different cabins. So that is the infrastructure of bank. Without that, bank cannot work. So the role of service sector in the Indian economy is growing faster than agriculture and industry. The variety of services are available to meet changes in economy and the requirement of investors. Okay, means there are a lot of types of services. So let me tell you the characteristics. First of all, intangible. We cannot see, we cannot touch, and we cannot feel the services. Lack of homogeneity means different people give different types of services. Okay. Then inventory loss. There will be complete inventory loss if the place will be vacant, if the services is not used at that time. Suppose there is a cinema hall and 50 seats are vacant, so that is complete loss. We cannot take it forward. Okay. Non-transferability means we cannot transfer it. Means if we have the talent of teaching, I cannot just give away that talent to someone. He has to adopt. He has to you can learn that thing. Customers' participation or involvement means customers also participate and involved in this type of services. So let me tell you the difference between goods and services. Intangible services are intangible, but goods are tangible. Goods can be seen. Inventory, no requirement to maintain inventory. Inventory must be maintained. Inseparable, service can't be separated from the provider. Means if I am the provider of the services can't be separated from me. Goods can be separated from providers. Simple. Standardization, it is difficult to standardize and maintain quality. Goods can be standardized. Nature, it is an activity or process, means watching movie. It is a physical object, car, TV, etc. Type, this is heterogeneous and this is homogeneous. Transfer of ownership cannot be transferred and ownership can be transferred. So this is the difference between services and goods. Let me directly tell you the classification of types. There are 3 types of services: business services, social services, and personal services. Business services are those services which are directly related to the business. Social services means if we are doing some work for the society, and personal services if we are doing anything or if we are providing any services to ourselves. That is called personal services. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss this chapter further. Till then, keep learning, and if you find any doubts or any query, you can ask. Till then, bye bye.